Welcome to part 2 of the ESLforfree.com IELTS speaking tutorial. Part 1 and part 3 are also available in separate tutorial movies. This tutorial will provide an example of part 2 of the IELTS speaking test. The candidate has 2 minutes to talk about the following speaking task. Describe a book or article you have read recently. You should say what kind of book or article it was, what was the main theme or storyline, where you read it, and explain why you read it. Some words of advice. Remember, these are prompts to guide your thinking, so they do not have to be discussed in the order they are given. There are many ideas you could discuss as long as they are very closely related to the prompts. However, you should make sure that you do cover the points that are given to you, which will be more than enough for a talk of only 2 minutes. Use the pause button on your player if you need longer to read the following screens, and the play button to continue. Although the language is not complex, you should note that the speaker has a good range of vocabulary and uses words that are more formal in nature, for example, entitled instead of called. The speaker handles tenses well, both active and passive. Was recommended, are regarded, have just read, made notes. Once again, note the range of vocabulary, which is exactly what the examiner is looking for. Transformation, seaside resort, surplus fish, starved, and some suitable collocations. A hand-to-mouth existence, earning a living, and examples of expressive verbs, headed off to. Note also the conversational marker basically. The speaker adds further details which add to the length of the talk and allow further opportunity for relevant vocabulary. Landscape gardens, state-of-the-art fitness centre. The speaker is producing a strong description of the article which shows that he or she knows the article well. It is therefore wise to choose a book or article that you know you can talk about for a couple of minutes by relating the theme or storyline. The speaker is wise enough to cover the remaining prompts, the where and the why, and not get carried away with simply describing the article. It is clear that the speaker is a very good speaker of English. A range of vocabulary is used, and sentences are complex. This concludes the speaking tutorial. If you want more help with your IELTS, go to www.bslforfree.com.